Today we're going to remove the stock OEM, I don't know what you will call it, and add a blow-off valve to it on this 2014 Honda Genesis 2.0 Turbo. Alright, first thing we're going to have to do is remove the little intake here. It's just going to have some retainer clips. Remove the retainer clips and you're able to pop this off. Next we're going to use a 10mm wrench to remove these from here and a socket from the bottom one. Here's the 10mm socket. We're going to try to remove as many as we could possibly can. Hopefully we can remove all three with this one. For this one here, the way I got it, it has the bolt in there already. I'm sure you have to assemble this to get that bolt in there. That's why it doesn't come off. Alright, we're going to use a size 12 to remove this bolt from here. That way we can lift up this pipe and get access to that bottom bolt using a 10mm. Alright, and that gave us a lot more leverage. What we're also going to do is remove this hose from here. And we're going to leave the top one on there. Alright, I moved the clamp up, and with some trim tool removals, I'm able to apply some pressure and move that back. You hear the vacuum there release. Now we have access to that 10mm bolt. Let's go ahead and remove it. And we'll set this over to the side. Perfect. Now let's remove this from here. Excellent. Sweet. And we'll leave that hose on there. Alright, and here's the blow-off valve we're going to install. Just remove the original one from there. All I did was push this bracket down. This line is still connected. I just removed this one from there. We have a hose that's going to connect to that one there. And we're just going to bolt that sucker right up there. That's it. Alright, I have the vacuum line connected there. Now I'm going to put the sucker into place right in here. Alright, and we'll put this bolt back into place. This one is a size 12mm. And we'll put the air induction system back into its place. Just like so, down in there. Alright, and there you have it. Blow-off valve is now installed. Let's give it a try. And let's see if we can hear it. You can hear it there a little bit. There it is. Sweet. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's do some blow-off valve noises.